Earn $700 by watching YouTube videos for free. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically earn $700 by just watching YouTube videos, and that too completely passively. This method is gonna work for you regardless of your location, and also it doesn't matter how old you are. You guys can make money by being any age, and also this method does not require any investment whatsoever. All that you guys need to do is simply follow this video step by step till the very end and not skip anything, and I assure you guys that you guys are gonna be good to go. This method has not been featured on any YouTube channel previously in the past as well, so this is an exclusive method, and we're not sure when the video might go private. So make sure to watch this video with full focus, because you never know, this video might not be available tomorrow. So make sure to watch it till the end. And now let's get on with step number one. Step number one. So in step number one, I want you guys to come on to youtube.com. So guys, youtube.com, as you guys know from the title of this video, you will be able to make money by just simply watching YouTube videos. Now, you guys don't have to watch the YouTube videos yourself. You can just have other people watch those videos and you will still be able to make money. Now guys, I know that sounds insane and I know it sounds too good to be true, but let me tell you something. The world has changed. There are so many ways to make money, and this is going to be a part of that whole process, and I assure you guys that you guys are gonna like this video. So now when you guys come on to youtube.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you guys to basically just from over here click on the left side and then scroll down and click on gaming. Now once you guys click on gaming, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be able to see. Now over here you guys can basically see everything that is trending over here in the gaming industry. So you have Splatoon 3, you have Apex Legends, you have Free Fire, you have Mobile Legends Bang Bang, and that is also trending. So you have some of the biggest trending games online. Now over here at the bottom, you guys can see how many people are watching these games. So you have 21,000 people who are watching Splatoon 3. You have 17,000 people worldwide who are watching Apex Legends. And you also have Garena Free Fire, and a lot of people are watching Garena Free Fire as well. So all in all, you guys have all of these opportunities in front of you. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking like, how are these opportunities? Where is the process to make money? Well, don't worry, because of course I'll tell you exactly how that works as well. So from over here, simply choose your favorite game if you have any. If you don't have any favorite game, just simply choose the most famous one. So Apex over here by far is the most famous along with Fortnite, but I'm gonna go with Apex Legends. So as soon as I open this up, over here you guys can again see that you have so many people watching these streams. So what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to simply open up any stream with the most viewers, because of course that stream is going to be the best stream. That is the reason why there are so many viewers on that particular stream. So we have this stream opened up. Let me just play this stream once and let's see how good of a quality this particular stream is. Now over here I can see that this particular stream is in Chinese, so we can't really use this unless we understand Chinese. So if you guys do understand Chinese, make sure to go ahead, but I don't understand Chinese, so I'm not gonna go with that one. Instead I'm gonna look for a video which is gonna be in English. So let's take a look over here. We have this one. Yeah, like this one looks nice, so I'm gonna open up this one, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the link from the top of this particular video, and then after that I'm gonna basically open up a new tab. Now from over here, I want you guys to go to a website known as adfark.us. So guys, adfark.us, as you guys know, as the name suggests, is an advertising website. So how does it work? You simply give it an extended URL, and then this particular website basically shortens that URL to be somewhat pleasant. And of course, once you have an account over here, they're gonna pay you for all the clicks that you guys get on this particular link. So over here, as you guys can see, that AdFocus is a free short URL redirection service with a twist. You can get paid for links you share on the internet. You can place links on your website, forums, and more. You can also get payments via PayPal and Bitcoin, and you can earn up to $22 per 1,000 visits to your short URLs. You can also generate stats on the fly and break down by countries, referrers, and specific dates. They also provide payout users every month for earnings for earnings above $10, which is a very short amount considering the amount of money that you guys actually gonna be making. $10 is basically nothing when you guys compare it to that amount. So now from over here up top, if I were to click on the payout rates, over here you guys can basically see all the different amounts of money and the highest CPMs for these different countries. So over here we have the United States of America around the $150 range. And then we also have some other countries such as Italy around the $70 range. Now guys, I do know that that sounds absolutely unbelievable honestly, but like let me tell you something, like viewers from over here, they're gonna really help you guys make money, and you can literally make a lot of money with those links. So guys, that is how you guys can judge basically how much money you're gonna be making. And over here of course you guys can see that you have the states being the highest payouts, and of course the lower you go, the lower the money is. So guys, now from over here, once you guys understand how this works, you guys can just simply sign up on adfog.us, and once you guys sign up on adfog.us, you guys will be able to just simply shorten your URL and just simply start making money. So once you guys have your URL shortened, after that I want you guys to just simply copy that URL, and then after that let's move on to step number two. So in step number two, I want you guys to come on to google.com, and depending upon what game you chose, from over here type the name of that particular game. So in my case I choose Apex Legends, so type in Apex Legends, and then after that I want you guys type in forums. So once you guys type in forums over here after Apex Legends, then you guys are gonna see some big forums come up for Apex Legends. You guys have Reddit, you guys have blog.feedspot.com, you guys have the Take Game, you guys have mood.us as well. So you guys have so many different options. So from over here you guys can see that these forums have 20,000 users and over 100,000 replies. Some of these have multiple 100,000 replies. Then you have this particular forum, these also have a lot of people in them. Then you also have these forums as well on Reddit, and these forums are absolutely insane when it comes to the amount of traffic that they can provide you guys for absolutely free. So like there is a lot of traffic out there, and you guys can just simply start sharing your link over here and just simply type in, if you guys want to watch the best Apex Legends live streams, make sure to check out the link over here. Now on Reddit and on Steam, there are going to be a lot of people from the United States, so you guys can definitely end up making really good money, because of course as you guys know, Apex Legends is going to give you a really good CPM, because the majority of people are going to be coming from states. And of course you guys can also check out adfog.us's referral programs. So if you guys were to refer this particular plan with this particular YouTube video, well then honestly all your friends and family are going to learn about this method, and whenever they sign up on adfog.us, the amount of revenue they make, you'll get 20% of that. So guys, again, that is going to be a good decision, and I would highly recommend that you guys try that out as well. So guys, this is how you can actually get started making money with this. This is not that complicated, only takes a few minutes, and once you have it set up, you will keep on getting views from these forums on your link, and you will keep on printing money as long as that live stream is running. As soon as that live stream stops, you can just simply choose a new one and you can repeat the process. So guys, this was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the method and you actually learned something. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.